Hello and welcome to We Dared Chemistry. In today's video, we will do the textbook question 45 and 46 of Chapter 2, Structure of Atom. So the first question is, arrange the following type of radiations in increasing order of frequency. A. Radiation from microwave oven. B. Amber light from traffic signal. C. Radiation from FM radio. D. Cosmic rays from outer space. And E. X-rays. Solution is the increasing order of frequency is as follow. Radiation from FM radio, then amber light, then radiation from microwave oven, then X-rays, then cosmic rays. After that, the increasing order of a wavelength is as follow. Cosmic rays, then X-rays, then radiation from microwave oven, then amber light, then radiation from FM radio. Now we will do the next question. Nitrogen laser produces a radiation at a wavelength of 337.1 milliradians. If the number of photons emitted is 5.6 x 1024, calculate the power of this laser. Solution is power of laser is E equals to NhC by lambda, where N is number of photon emitted. H is Planck's constant. C is velocity of radiation. Lambda is wavelength of radiation. Substituting the value in the given expression of energy. E is equal to 5.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24 into 6.6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 34 joules second into 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second. Divided by 337. 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. After solution, this we get 0.3302 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7 joule, which is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules. That is all for today. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.